Hello team, hope you are safe and sound during this time. Now and then we hear multiple outages in major applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, Netflix, AWS, Teams and many others across the globe. Last week there was an outage of around 5 hours at one of our banking customers as well, and this outage costed them $9 million. Later they found out that this outage was caused by BGP issue at the service provider end. Incident like this highlights the importance of digital experience monitoring, which helps in monitoring your business critical applications continuously so that users and customers are able to access these applications efficiently. In today's world, where applications are playing a pivotal role in a business, it becomes imperative to monitor the application access. Welcome to All on Tech. This is Nityanand here, and let us look at how Cisco Thousand Eyes solution can help in digital experience monitoring. Till few years back, the applications were hosted in on-prem data center, and users sitting at the branches and campuses were accessing these applications. IT teams were using traditional tools like SNMP, packet capture, and flow analysis to troubleshoot and resolve the issues as the network was in their control. But today, if you see, the applications are getting hosted across multiple clouds, and users are also allowed to access these applications from anywhere. In this scenario, IT teams struggle to detect the issues as they don't have any control and visibility over the internet or at the cloud service provider end. Here, Cisco Thousand Eyes solution can help in providing that visibility. Thousand Eyes solution uses agents which create a synthetic probe that simulates the actual user behavior, and these agents are installed at various service provider data centers across the globe and are called cloud agents. We'll take a scenario wherein the application is hosted on a cloud service provider like AWS, and you would like to monitor the same using Thousand Eyes solution. Here on one side you can see agent installed at London location, and it is reaching out to the target server shown on the other side. The packets leave your network and enter the service provider network, and those packets reach to the cloud service provider network where the application is hosted. Thousand Eyes solution shows hop by hop behavior of packets when they traverse. In case if there is a packet loss or any other issue, Thousand Eyes solution will highlight that issue. Here in this case, when the packet is entering service provider network, it is facing issue at a particular node, and IT teams will have the visibility of the issues occurring on their WAN infrastructure. At the back end, Thousand Eyes solution uses inputs from multiple sources like HTTP, DNS, RTP protocols, different network metrics like packet loss, latency, and jitter. It also uses path visualization, wherein it can have hop by hop view of the network right from the source to the destination. It also monitors the BGP reachability, path changes, and updates across the internet. The collected data is then fed to AI/ML tools to get actionable insights. There are mainly three types of agents which are used in Thousand Eyes solution. We have seen cloud agents, which are pre-installed at various service provider data centers across the globe and which can be used to initiate different tests. Cloud agents are used to monitor the applications from the internet and used for outside-in monitoring, which allows the IT teams to monitor digital experience of these applications from the internet. The second type of agent is enterprise agent, which can be installed on virtual machines or on Cisco Catalyst 9000 switches or Cisco Catalyst 8000 series routers. These enterprise agents can be used to monitor the SaaS-based applications, internal applications, and site-to-site connectivity. This can be mainly used for inside-out monitoring. The third type of agent is endpoint agent, and mainly used in hybrid work scenario, wherein this agent can be installed on the endpoints with Windows and Mac OS and can monitor the critical applications continuously. In case if the user is facing any issue and he calls IT team, then they can take a quick look at the Thousand Eyes dashboard for any potential issues that specific user is facing. With the help of Thousand Eyes agents, you can run multiple tests like BGP test, DNS test, multiple tests for HTTP like page load along with transaction tests. You can also do network test with agent to server and agent to agent option. One advantage of Cisco Thousand Eyes solution is it can provide snapshots which can be used as an evidence and can be shared with third parties to prove the point or to highlight the issues. In a scenario wherein a service provider is facing issues in their links and Thousand Eyes highlighting the same, you can take the snapshot and share with the service provider to get the issue rectified at their end. We'll see few examples of these snapshots. Here we have a snapshot which shows agent installed at various locations and reaching to the destination. If there is no issue, all the hops will be shown green. But if we click on a timeline where the issue has occurred, we can see that at this time the agents are not able to reach out to destination server and the traffic is getting dropped at last hop, which means there is some issue at the data center side. If we hover over the hop which is showing red, then we can see that there is issue at the Quest service provider, and you can take the snapshot and share it with them to get the issue rectified. Thousand Eyes can be helpful in identifying issues in your SD-WAN underlay network as well and help enhancing the digital experience. We can monitor the SaaS based applications like Microsoft Teams and Cisco Webex as well. Here in this snapshot, we can see that Thousand Eyes agent deployed at various locations across the globe are monitoring Microsoft Teams application using multiple protocols like DNS, HTTP send and receive along with SSL layer. When the Teams application is live, all agents are showing green. But if we click over a timeline where red color is present, then we can see that all agents are reporting reachability error and highlighting issue at HTTP layer. With this information, IT teams can reach out to Microsoft with the evidence and ask to get the issue resolved without any time wasting on troubleshooting their own network or the endpoints. In a hybrid work scenario, we can monitor the health of user endpoints and identify the issues happening with those endpoints. Here in this snapshot, we can see that the user in Australia is able to reach out to application and various layers like DNS, HTTP, SSL layers are shown green. If we click on a timeline where the user has faced issue, we can see that there is issue at the DNS layer and he is not able to access the application. In this case, IT teams can take a proactive action to identify the issue and resolve it to enhance the digital experience. IT teams can create a customized dashboard like this, wherein they can monitor their critical applications like O365 from Thousand Eyes agents across the globe and get alerts if they observe issues in their applications. Thousand Eyes agents also monitor various applications over the internet and report the live outages which are happening. Customers can use this data to identify if their critical applications are facing any outage. Just to summarize, Thousand Eyes solution can be used to enhance the digital experience in your organization and help in identifying the reachability issues for various scenarios like monitoring SaaS-based applications along with applications hosted in your on-prem data center and monitoring remote workers' application experience. Instant alerts can also be generated to notify IT teams to take corrective actions. I have kept links for resources in the description box which can be used to know more about Cisco Thousand Eyes solution. Hope you found this video useful. Do hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.